How to add multiple photos in Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways on how you can add multiple photos in Instagram story. In order to add multiple photos in Instagram story, first thing first, update your application. If you have not updated your application, then head over to your Play Store and update the application. Once the application is completely updated, log in into your Instagram account. So then to add multiple photos in your story, tap the Your Story button from the top left hand side corner. After that, it's going to open up the gallery page photo, or you can select it from your gallery. So select whatever you want to add, and once you've selected the particular photo, tap the little icon located right on top, right in center. Just tap on it, and as soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see bunch of tools and icons right over here. Now to add another photo, go to the photos button right over here and select the photos that you wish to add it as a secondary photo. You can go ahead and select multiple photos that you wish to add it. Just do the same procedure that I've done it. Just go ahead and select the photos once you're done selecting the other one as well. Now you can see that bunch of photos has been added. So after that, you can also add more than 10 photos at one particular time. So you can just go ahead and select a random pic and then upload the photo accordingly, and you can also adjust the size. So that's how you can add multiple photos in your Instagram story. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.